Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this moving grid lines in UE5 Niagara. So you can see it reflect on this character also and this cube. Cool thing. So I did it with Niagara. It's very simple trick you can use. I don't know, maybe it can be used somewhere in your game or not, but yeah, something you need to learn. So let's start this tutorial. So what I did, I'll show you actually from scratch and try to make you understand what is happening here. So basically, like you have a planer, okay, and size maybe 5. Cool. So you have this planer. I'll just move camera this side so we cannot see that effect. And when I'm rotating this planer and it intersecting with the ground, okay, so for that, if you have a material like this test and you have a color,